Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Here's our little toy for the next 2 weeks. I was supposed to get tattooed today, but it's a big holiday. Like, it's the full moon festival, which is the biggest time in the Buddhist calendar. But the thing is, I'd been talking to this tattooist for about a week and a half, so he knew I was coming today, but that's all right. He's going to tattoo me tomorrow. Udi at the White Castle Hotel, what an amazing guy. But anyway, he's put a whole lot of stuff into Google Maps for me to see today, so we're going to have a pretty full day, I think. Let's go and explore in our little toy. Isn't this incredible, guys? Oh, and look at this, guys. This is the Angar Aalamura. I hope I've said that right. Angar Aalamura. I've been rehearsing it a lot. Temple. This is a very, very important Buddhist temple in Negombo. We're about 30 kilometres north of Colombo here. We're not actually in Colombo. But this is where the airport is. Negombo is the name of the place, but this is where the airport is. This is where the tuk-tuk rental place is. And like I said before, it's the full moon festival. So hopefully I'm not interfering with anyone now, but let's go in and have a look. Look at this, guys. Buddha. Why there's a lion mouth at the entrance, I don't know, but there'd have to be a reason. Have we got any fish in here? Yes, we have. Lots of fish. Yes. Oh. Yeah, guys, I can't find the age of this. I've looked all through Google. I'm not a very good researcher. People like Nadia and Irfan from Field of Visions, and Adam and Yaz, and Naik and Kim, they always know everything about a place they go to, but yeah, I know nothing. I just know this is unbelievable, incredible. There's one of the monks over here.
Hello sir, good morning.
Good morning. Say hello to YouTube. Oh, I will go and have a look, thank you. Well, they've got a little museum back there in there. But you know what me and museums are like, guys. And I would have gone in if it was free, but it's only $5, which is nothing. And it helps the upkeep of this beautiful, beautiful place. But seriously, I'd rather be playing around with my new little toy today, going and seeing other things. Udi's given me a link to a secret beach that most tourists never get to, so that's on part of the thing, but I'm just going to follow his Google Map pins, I think they call it, in the order that they are on Google Maps. This is St Mary's Church, guys. Look at this. Incredible. Those who've been following my channel for a while know that these old buildings really, really impress me. Unbelievable. And there's a plaque over here. Hello, sir. Hopefully it'll be in English, so we can I can tell. Yes, it is in English, so I'm going to go and read this. Oh no, let's see, 1857. Oh no, yes. Oh no, that's when he was the father here, from 1857 to 1895, so this is older than that. I'll see if I can find out. Well, guys, I spoke to a few people here, and they all say it's about 100 years old, but that can't be right, because this guy was the father here from 1857, so that's nearly about 170 years, so it's at least that much. Incredible, guys. There's a very important mass on at the moment. Next on Udi's list is the fish markets, which will probably be closed today because it's the holiday. But let's go and have a look anyway. We can only see. Well, it certainly smells like a fish market. Look at all these fish drying in the sun. And when I say it smells like a fish market, it doesn't smell bad, guys. It smells really, really good. And I just bought a ticket off this guy for about 20 cents. But I'm not sure if that's whether he's just selling tickets to anyone who'll buy them, or whether he's actually the parking inspector, but that's all right. And the ticket was for parking, not to visit the markets. But yeah, there's a lot happening here. People says dried fish for sale everywhere. I'm guessing being a big island, fish is a very important thing here. Where I'm staying, they've got a little pond there I showed you, and that's I thought they'd catch fish and put them in there till they wanted them, but no, they actually buy the little fingerlings and they keep them in different little buckets, like, well, big buckets like baths, until they get to a certain size. Then they put them in that big pond, and until they get to full size. Look at this, guys, dried fish everywhere. Oh wow, fish everywhere. But let's go and have a look a bit further up here. Udi didn't think anything would be happening today. Looks pretty busy to me. Everyone getting their fish for the festival. Look at this, guys. The boats, that must be the boats. Oh, they're all coming in under sail. Must just be finishing for the day. If I'd been here maybe an hour later, I'd watch them bring the catch in. Hello! Look at this, guys, and there's a lot of fresh fish here. Oh. Hello! Hello! And what's your name?
Niman.
Niman?
Baby Jema.
Yes. And Niman, he was talking and talking and talking. Now I've got the camera on, he's got all shy. He's not talking anymore. Well, that was worth a look, guys. And when I said it smelled fishy before, it doesn't smell bad. It's making me quite hungry. And now we're off to, I think this one might be Udi's secret beach. It's on, we've got to cross 2 bridges, so it's on 2 islands away from here. Let's go and have a look at one of the other islands. Well, I'm not sure why he's brought me here, or maybe I've clicked the wrong thing on his little map. But yeah, it's just brought me to this little part of the river, all the fishermen. These people just up the road here, getting in that black tuk-tuk just up there. The little girl with the pink pants. They just, the guy tried to flag me down. He thought I was a rental tuk-tuk. I felt like picking them up, but there would have been no room for all of them. There's about 7 or 8 of them. I've got no idea where we are. That's not even on Udi's list. Look at this. And there's a plaque over there, but it's in local language. So I can't tell you anything about this place except what a beautiful old building. I think the beach Udi meant must be around the corner, because this definitely isn't a beach he'd send someone to, but I think it might be around the corner here. And I have a feeling it might be up here that Paddy and the rest of the Tice and Lena from the Budgeteers, I think they might have camped just up here when their first day on a tuk-tuk when they were in Sri Lanka many years ago. It was them that gave me the idea to do this. I saw that video 3, 4 years ago, maybe even 5 years ago, and I said to Janet, one day we're going to ride a tuk-tuk around Sri Lanka, and she said, oh, like she always does, because I get these ideas in my head. Now, you might be able to see them here, but there's those little fishing boats out there. The big square sail and the triangle one at the back. Hopefully you can see it. When after Sunday, I'll have Janet with me, so I'll be able to have better access to the other camera gear, because I can be filming and not have to watch all my stuff. She'll be able to do that. So I'll be able to get the M50 out and actually show you all this stuff, but hopefully you can see that. Yeah, well, I'm not really hungry, because that breakfast was amazing. The hotel, noodles and curry. Wow. They've got, well, it's paratha and curry sauce here, but it's like the roti in Indonesia and Malaysia. And most importantly, nice cold soda water right there. So I'm going to enjoy this. And this is the famous Negombo Beach. Very well known beach. All the flash hotels along here. We're staying, sorry guys, I'm going to put these glasses back on, not that you can see because I'm facing the other way, but we're staying the last 2 nights in Sri Lanka, we've got a really nice hotel, part of the luxury escapes credit I had from that Thailand holiday. For those of you who haven't been watching since the beginning, we booked a hotel, we booked a holiday with Luxury Escapes, then COVID happened. It was supposed to be a couple of weeks away together before I did this ride, but it didn't end up happening, and Luxury Escapes gave us a credit. So all through Indonesia and Malaysia I stayed at some really nice hotels just to treat myself on Luxury Escapes credit, and I used the last of it to get us 2 nights, the last 2 nights before Janet has to go back to work. So guys, these are those yachts I was telling you about with the square sails, the fishing boats. I'm pretty sure they're fishing boats, that's all they'd be. Hello! I'm good, thank you. Australia?
Welcome Sri Lanka.
Thank you.
First time here?
First time here.
Video?
Video, yes.
Oh.
Say hello to YouTube. Say hello. Yes. Marcus that I met on the beach, he's a fisherman.
Yeah,
this is their area.
Yeah.
All these houses got damaged in 2004 in the tsunami that came.
Yeah.
The big tsunami.
Here came 1.5 meters.
Yeah. So yeah, that was a lot of the world got hit by that one, all over Thailand, Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia.
South place, Gala, Negombo, 1.5 meters. That's one my house.
Hello. Marcus wants to show me his house. So did the government help you rebuild?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, that's good. A lot of places the government did nothing. Oh,
Rafael.
hello. What a beautiful yard. Oh, my friend, I have to go. I just wanted to see your house and meet your family. Hello.
This is my children.
Yeah, but I have to go. I've got things to do. Thank you, Marcus.
You see here.
Okay, I'll have a look here.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. I like your garden. Beautiful.
Wow.
And I'm glad you were okay after the tsunami.
Yeah.
Hey.
You, excuse me, you little bit help my family.
Help you? So you want money?
Yeah, little bit.
Well, I was a bit disappointed there. Old Marcus inviting me to his house just so he could ask me for money. But anyway, guys, look what Google Maps has done to me this time. Look at this. Just beautiful, guys. Monday morning, I'll be able to share all this with Janet. I'm excited. Yeah, where I stopped and had lunch before, I sat up the front. This is up the back. They always love you when you come back to a restaurant a second time. Even I'm just having a drink this time. But there's still, everyone smiles, happy that you've come back. Well, that was a fun day. I've got plenty of footage today to make a video, plenty. So if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.